We're going to do a brief video of AUD USD, AUD USD analysis, and we're looking at the Australian dollar versus US dollar on a daily chart with a 5-day moving average in green, a red 20-day moving average, and a blue 200-day moving average. You can see we've been in the bear market ever since about June of 2021. We've come across and hit the 200-day moving average to the downside several times, and does pretty much the same thing. Comes down, goes across, hits it again. We kind of tried to get out of this declining moving average here in the spring of March 2022, but it failed and put us right back into a bear market again, where again we went down, challenged the 200-day, down, challenged the 200-day. So that's been pretty much what's been going on with this currency, and today's no different. It is still going down. We're making new lows here today at about 0.662. And it's below the 5, it's below the 20-day moving average, and below the 200. So we're firmly in a bear market in this currency, the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. Let's take a look real quick at the longer term. We're going to go to a 1-month chart. We're now, every bar on here is 1 month. This is a 200-month moving average, and you can see that we've been in a bear market in this currency all the way back since about June 2015. And sideways for quite a while until 2018, and then plummeting down here to a low of about 0.55 on the AUD USD, and we got a rally almost up to the 200-day, 200-month moving average, and then plummeted right back down again to where we are today. So support for this currency from the last rally is down 0.55, so it's 0.55 is where reasonable support is on a monthly chart, as you can see that. This is a monthly chart. You can see we're below the 200-day moving average. We're below the 20-bar moving average. All these are 20 bars. 200-month, 20-month, 5-month moving average. So we're in negative territory on this currency for sure. In other words, we're still in a deep bear market in it. You'll notice this 200-bar, 200-month is rallying. It's not rallying, but it's rising, so that's good news. But the rest of it's going to take a while to work its way out before it can challenge the 200-bar moving average, especially on that chart. Let's go down and take a look and see what RBM research says about this. We do follow the Aussie dollar, the USD. I'm sorry, the AUD USD, and we'll see what our entry prices are. We have algorithmic entry prices here. Let me just take a quick look and look at this. Our low is 662 and our high is 670. 662 and 670. So it says to buy at 670. So it looks like 662. So we've hit these buy points. It says to buy at 667. Let me check this out real quick, make sure I'm not confused. It says to buy on all 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, and 20-day periods for entertainment purposes only. It says to buy at 0.667. Let's go back and check it out. And by the way, it doesn't say to buy, it just lists it 0.662. So yeah, so these buy prices have been hit, and it's currently trading at 664. So currently you'd be a little underwater, but again, for entertainment purposes only, you should never use our entry prices for anything but entertainment. So the way these work is you buy today, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, and then you close out at the end of 1, 2, 5, 10, or 20-day holding periods, depending on the column you're looking at a loss, or take your profits sooner if you can get them. So keep in mind, you have to use your own analysis, and our entry prices are just for entertainment purposes only. But that's how they work. And they're put out every morning before 7 a.m. These are current for today. You can get all our currency prices for entertainment purposes only at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description. You can sign up. Absolutely no credit card required, no cost. And we, in addition to the major forex pairs, we cover BTC crypto, the most liquid futures contracts, and 190 plus stocks. Everything but the stocks are longs or shorts. The stocks are all longs. Again, link in the description. Just follow it over there, put in your email, and sign right up. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. If you have a comment on our moving average analysis, pro or con, please leave it in the comment section. We'd love to hear from you as long as it's constructive. And keep in mind, please, that everything you've heard or seen on here, including our entry prices and the commentary, is for entertainment purposes only. Can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk.